Vanity. I got this from Shein. Disregard that. That's like an unboxing that I need to do. That is so cute. And behind this glass is another area I just got some more contacts, some little mini sample perfumes, but this comes with 2 shells inside, so you got extra storage there. I haven't taken the piece off, the little plastic piece. That's always something I wait until the very end to do. I just put my fragrances in there today just to see what it's gonna look like. I am so proud of it. I worked all night putting this together. Disregard that mirror. The drawer space is kind of small. If you are planning to use like some of the acrylic containers, just trying to give you an idea how big the space is. So it's not that big, it's not that deep. I think it's gonna work for me. I have to go in and put my makeup in here and see. So yeah, you get 2 drawers in front. Kind of messed up some things last night trying to put it together. And then you get this little drawer over here. I just threw a couple of little things in here. This one is not that deep either, so that's that. And then you get this little cabinet here. I just threw some things in there. So you have 2 shelves in there. And I got this from Shein once again. The handles are so cute. It's sturdy, it's not moving. What else? And you get the little electrical outlet over here on the side. So this is the little electrical port, so you can use the USB, and then you have 2 outlets, electrical outlets. So yeah, it is so it's dark in here, like, oh, well, this is the light. Alright, so you just press that, and it comes with 3. You get warm, medium light, and bright. Yeah, I'm so excited. So cute. And the desk is about 39 inches long. Now I'm thinking that's including that in over there as well. So yeah, it's 39 inches long. Then you have some storage down here. Let me see if I can get the light. So yeah, you get storage down here as well. So you definitely use this as storage. But I like my little vanity. I am very much liking it. Like I said, I just wish I had more drawer space. This may be a temporary vanity until I get the one that I really, really want, but this will do. It is so cute. You could do your content here. You could do your makeup here. You could do your, your chit chats here. Yeah, it's so cute. So I'm going to put the link in or the link is already in my bio. This once again is from Shein. It's inside my link tree, so you could definitely go there, shop there, use my codes, and get you one, or get you one that you like, or get you one that you can afford. This was, for me, just a little bit over $100, so So like 120 for me. So yeah, check it out and check out their website and see what you can find. The storage containers. I'll put that information in this video because I can't remember how many pieces that I paid. I mean, how many pieces that I got. I think I paid about $8 for my pieces. So yeah, I love it. Good night, Candy. Alright, so it's off now. We still have